Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you a beautiful collection of crochet mini bags. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video. Most of these designs are having fruits on them, especially strawberry patterns are used in most of these designs in different styles and different shapes. You will see simple mini bags, crossbody bags designs, and you will see drawstring bag designs in this video as well. All of these designs are unique and their color schemes are so attractive and lovely. As you can see, very attractive and gorgeous shades of pink are used in these designs mostly, and fresh red color is used to make strawberry patterns as well, like this one, which is also looking stunning. So just give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designing ideas, and watch this video till the end to get all ideas as well, because you will find almost 30 ideas in this video. All of them are very unique and different from each other. So you can see this beautiful bag having a really attractive bead strap. So you can also make bead strap in these bags designs as well. So just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make it by yourself at home very easily, because these patterns are beginner friendly. Most of these designs are just made with double crochet stitch, which is the most quickest and easiest stitch to make in crochet work, because double crochet stitch is used in almost 80% of different crochet projects. So you can easily make them just with the help of picture as well. However, if you don't know crochet work, or if you are a beginner and you cannot copy the pattern from picture, you can also let me know in the comments. I will make tutorial videos for you as well, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, I also upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel. So you will find huge collections of ideas videos of all types of handmade products, and you will also find crochet tutorial videos like pattern videos of square pattern, round pattern, beginner friendly stitches pattern. You will find other different accessories videos as well, like bags, shoes, baby shoes, headbands, baby dresses, etc. And you can just let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing any specific tutorial video as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.